Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bowmaker, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make this absolutely stunning wreath. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough. It has to be a little extra long because we're going to tie this beautiful swag. Could be a door swag, but it also could be a wreath. So we're going to make it long enough that we can tie it around a wreath. Then what I'm going to do is take my first set of leaves, and I have this really cool orchid, and we're going to lay the orchid down in here. And then what I'm going to do is take my tails, and again, we've already dovetailed the ends, so I'm just going to lay this down into my Bowdabra and just lay the tails down. Then I'm going to take my beautiful flowers here and lay those down into the Bowdabra. Then I'm going to take these flowers, lay these down into my Bowdabra, and then I'm going to take my flower here and lay that into the Bowdabra. So this is going to be really pretty. Then I'm going to take my beautiful chiffon ribbon. We're going to twist it, and all we're doing is a fold and twist bow. So we're going to just fold and twist it, and fold and twist, and just fold and twist. So that's all we're doing here. Now, if you haven't already watched or don't already know, we have a Facebook Live that we do every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and 7 Eastern. In those time zones. So we'd love it for you to join us. It's a half-an-hour live that we do every Monday, and we've been trying to do the lives on YouTube as well, so it's really kind of cool. And it's either me or one of our design team members that show you all kinds of really great projects to do. So we have this all in here. Then I'm going to take it's kind of a cream burlap, and on our Bowdabra burlap ribbon, it has a wire on this side, so I know the right side of the ribbon is the side that doesn't have the wire. I'm just going to scrunch this in here. We're going to make a fold and twist bow. So again, I'm just folding it. And also, please share this video with your friends. We'd really appreciate it. And also, if you wouldn't mind, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. So I'm just going to keep folding this in here. And we're just fold and twist, and didn't quite twist, so we'll fold back. And that's the technique I'm doing, is I'm just folding it, then twisting it, and then scrunching it down. And I'm just going to do one more loop. I think that'll be enough loops for this bow here. So I'm just going to clip this, and I'm not too worried. I might even dovetail the end of this. And then I'm going to take my leaves and lay these down in here. Put one going this way, one going down, one going across. And now I'm going to take my Bowdabra wire and bring it back up. And I'm going to pull everything really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends. And actually, I don't want this in here. So we're going to just bring this up, pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. And I got it stuck around the other one too, so I want to get this out here. Whoops. Well, you can see it's never perfect. Sometimes we all make mistakes. And I'm going to lay this in here. Okay, there we go. So now I'm going to pull it really tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Take it out, and as you can see, I'm not struggling with it even though I have all of that stuff in there. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot and tie another knot. And I'm going to leave this long so that I can tie it onto the wreath. So now I'm just going to shape out. I think I said I was going to dovetail this. So let's dovetail it here. And now we'll just shape out our loops. I like to shape the loops first, and then I can bring the florals into it. So we'll puff out our loops and bring this around here. And just keep fluffing and bring the flowers here. And then what I'm going to do is take this and take my wreath and I'll turn it over, and I'm just going to grab my Bowdabra bow wire and bring it around and tie it onto my wreath. And I'm going to tie a knot, which I want to make sure it's tight so it'll stay. So to pull that really tight and then knot it. So now I'm just going to finish fluffing out my loops, and I think everything's all fluffed and our orchids are ready. So I'm just going to show you the finished project. Isn't that beautiful? And it was so easy to make. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we'll see you in the next video.